Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick unsponsored review of the Babycakes Cupcake Maker. I have my little helper with me in the kitchen and we're going to get cupcake wasted, okay? So make sure you stick around for this quick unboxing and product review. So here it is, still in the box. I ordered this from Amazon and this was actually my 5-year-old's Christmas gift. Okay, so we're going to take this out of the box and see what this is all about. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. It also came with an instruction manual complete with multiple cupcake recipes. So let's take another quick look at this appliance. It comes completely put together. There is no on or off switch, nor is there a temperature control button. You just simply plug it into the outlet and that's it. There's no timer on it, so you'll want to monitor how long you bake your cupcakes so that you don't burn them. So as with any new appliance, I'm going to give this a quick hand wash first and then we'll test it out. And we're going to use the Crocker cake mix. We're just going to keep it simple and we're going to make our cupcakes. Elise, get the eggs.
Two.
Did it say 3 eggs or 2?
3.
Okay, sit these down on the counter and hopefully they don't roll away. Where's the oil? Okay.
I always follow all the instructions.
We got the oil, and what else do we need? Eggs, oil, and what else?
Water.
That's right, water. So tell us what we're doing.
First we're gonna get a quarter cup of water.
And what else?
And get some measuring cups to measure some water, and then another cup of water. And put it right there. And wash our hands so we can be ready. And first we're gonna put the cupcake flour. 1 cup of egg, 2 cups of egg, and the last egg.
And then we're gonna add the water. Jinx.
And water and oil. And stir.
Stir it up. Mix. Mix. This girl is crazy. So now after we mix, now what do we do? So now it looks like we are done mixing. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to add the muffin papers to the cupcake maker.
Yeah, these are so cute.
They are cutie.
They're really cute.
They're cutie, just like you. Just like you. Cutie. Now we're gonna add in the
cupcake
papers.
Look at the cupcake bakers. It'll bake real fast. Now you gotta scoop some in and try one in. Pour it in the cupcake. And now I'm gonna scoop some.
Right, and we're gonna bake this. This only took about 6 minutes to bake.
And it's gonna be
6 minutes.
And it's gonna be 2 minutes.
6. Close her up. Don't slam it. 6.
Child, I'm making 2.
Child, it's gonna take 6 minutes. Good job. Now we're gonna plug it up.
Now we plug it.
And now it's on. See? I need to check it to make sure these aren't burning. Don't you touch because it could be very... Wow, look at there. Oh, I think these are almost done.
They'll cook fast. They're getting cooked fast.
Why you sound like trash?
Daddy, want to see our cupcakes?
Oh yeah, I think these are almost done. Okay. So the baking time was just under 10 minutes. So we both were wrong. My daughter, for some reason, thought it was 2 minutes. I was saying it was 6, but it was under 10 minutes. So as you can see, I'm sticking a knife in these cupcakes and they are completely done. I was really, really impressed with how easy it was to use this cupcake maker. I love the fact that you do not have to worry about preheating. It bakes your cupcakes very quickly and it's very easy to clean and it's also kid friendly. So I'm just gonna let my little helper finish this up and then we are gonna get cupcake wasted, okay? It's the letter E?
Yeah.
Good job.
That's a little O.
Are you done with your cupcakes?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
Let me see yours. This is good, huh? This is good.
I love it.
You do? It's really good.
Ah!
Don't do that, Elise. This is so good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this product review. Be sure to click the like button if you did. And I hope to see you in my next video.
You are just cutting.
You better not. You gonna get the paw. You want a paw?
No.
Okay, I didn't think you want paw.
Pause it.
Why?
Because I don't want you to see it in the video. So
You don't want me to say that in the video?
No.
Okay, we'll just edit it out. Don't worry. We'll just edit it out.
We're gonna delete that one. We're gonna delete that video.
Why, you don't want to be embarrassed? Okay.
So I want you to delete that still.
Are you chocolate wasted?
Yeah.
I see. You got chocolate everywhere. Girl, you are seriously chocolate wasted, huh?
A chocolatey. I'm hot chocolatey.
How many cupcakes did you eat?
3.
3? Oh my gosh. And you was asking for an Oreo? Girl, you ain't getting no sleep tonight, huh?